on the boat.
Say hi, Drew.
Ciao.
Can I see your style, Drew? Damn. What's that style? Is that the style for 2025?
No, this is the I don't want to die style.
Hola. Say hi. Hi. Tangi, where are we? We are on top of the nature. What? I thought it's not cold.
It's not cold. I'm the hottest here.
What?
You heard me.
Bro. Bro's dreaming.
Ganda ka po bahangin eh. Ano? What are you looking at?
Te, subukan mo te. Nahilo ka te. Iwan talaga kita dito. Kung bubuto naman o. Subukan mo, iwan ka talaga namin dito. Try me, bre. Sige. Don't you dare.
What wing? Wing kasi isa lang.
Corneum.
My freaking
Daddy jokes kasi, no?
Literal na dad jokes.
Di ba naririnig?
Para sa baby ko.
Hey!
Sheesh! I know, nawala ka pa dito pero sabihin ko sa'yo, you have the best mother and father in the world.
Hey!
Best
I'm the best tita. Oy, so cute.
It's a freaking Simula di siya.
Tokyo! Paano si Tokyo? Paano si Tokyo? Gaya niyo si Tokyo, dalawa kayo. Stop. Oh, yes, Drew. Oh, Tokyo. Kids. Kids. You say kids. Kids. Hello, baby.
Hindi na ako nag-iiyak.
Bakit every time na pumupunta tayo dito, ang lamig pa yan?
Ewan ko.
What's the Spanish of kids?
Niños.
Niños?
Niños.
Niños. What about lady?
Niñas.
Niñas?
Parang señorita.
Parang
I like it when you call me señorita.
Babaguhin mo lang yung dulo. Senyorito. Senyorita.
Yeah, me too. I remember.
We can taste the snow.
No good.
Not good. Look, there's a...
Wow! Amazing!
Whoa.
I don't want.
Who wants hot chocolate? Okay, you buy us hot chocolate.
Señor. Mga person.
Guys, ano ginagawa nyo, guys?
I don't want brown.
Yeah, I want.
Feeling of
Card of Pogi.
Pakita mo si Card. Naku, next ka na.
Kakasabi po. Tikar ko na nga.
Yes.
Cardo Pogi.
Uy.
Tama.
Let's go. Cardo.
Sabi ko na ganon. May ano pa eh. Cardo Pogi. Yun. May ganon dapat.
Sabi nung una, Cardogi.
Cardogi. Mukha pong dogi.
Hindi yung pinag na babae.
Buti. Hindi ka nahihiyahan na ngayon. Dati mahihiyain ka.
Kaya nga.
Alam ko mahihiyain ka dati. Dati ayaw niya nang binibidyohan siya.
Eh, syempre. Vlogger na kasi ako, change-ira na nga ako. Change career na nga ako eh.
Ganda oh.
Dahil tayo.
Dami tayo.
Ano?
Dami tayo. Ano? Dami?
Oo tayo.
Alam mo ba't sinabi ng dami tayo?
Bakit?
A lot of shit. Mother tongue.
Gaya mo
Ano ang Tagalog niya?
Ano kami dito guys? Ano yung Tagalog? Ano yung Tagalog?
Tangin na.
It's a trap! Dad dance. Oh, dance guys. Legit ba yan? Hey! Hey! Okay! Hey!
Huwag ka nasira.
Oo, eh. Ayong mabigat.
Mabigat talaga yan.
Suot ko yan ng ilang oras.
600.
Doon 750. Pero mo, bigat to. It's like 5 kilos. De, joke lang, no? 3 kilos, I think.
Hindi okay yung ano ko nun eh.
Mabigat pa yung presyo.
600.
Mabigat pa yung nagdadala.
Let's go. Wait, I wanna check the...
Isang PlayStation na yan, no?
Oh,
O, isang gaming laptop na yan. No. If you want...
which one? Oh, shit. 1150. Oh, that's just like... How much are the expensive ones?
So those skis come with bindings,
Uh-huh.
and there are skis that come without bindings for like $2,500.
These are the bindings.
No, like the little plastic things that go on the top that you put your boots in.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh.
So it'd be $2,500, and then you could probably get like a pair of my bindings were $800.
Oh, so this one, it doesn't include this bindings yet?
So these do. These come with bindings.
Oh, those
This
comes with
plastic bit
bindings.
that, you know how
Yeah.
there's bindings on, but some of our skis over there that are just like flat top.
Just flat,
don't come
okay.
with-
What about the snowboards? Does it come with bindings already? No,
So
it's
you'd have
it's the
to
actual
buy it
board.
on top as well.
I see.
And your snowboard bindings can be like $250 average.
Oh.
So you need like to buy separately? With the...
Yeah, normally, yeah. So you get your boots. Their boots are normally like $300.
So like, if you buy this, it's yours, or is there like a rental price, something like
You
that?
can get rentals, but these are all just for sale.
Yeah,
And
that's for
rentals
sale.
normally are like really horrible skis.
Mm-hmm.
Like they're,
Oh, those are like horrible ones. I see.
So-
The snowboards, like what brand would you like recommend for like beginners?
for beginners, the brand doesn't really matter.
Oh, okay.
Because you're just getting a beginner board, and a beginner board is just a basic
What about like the size? Does it depend on your height?
weight.
Oh, the weight. I see.
It's all about weight.
Yeah, wait daw.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no worries, guys.
Appreciate it.
It's just like, come on, let's go. Huh? Okay, boy.
iPhone 16 Pro.
He said that's not the expensive one yet. That's what he said. The expensive one, it goes to like
Parang PS5
2,500.
Pro yata to.
1 terabyte na yan.
And then there's no ski. There's no ski boots yet. So you still have to get. And then the ski boots are like 600.
Around $3,000 to $4,000. Oh
Yeah.
my goodness.
No way. No. Vámonos a la casa ya.
Vámonos.
May makasira pa tayo. Andrew. Sabi ko na.
Naku,
Wala akong pambayad niya. Ayos ka.
We're not coming with him.
iwan niya.
Babayaran niya.
Hindi ko
iwan ka na
kilala yan,
dito.
guys. Hindi ko kilala yan, guys.
Kulit kung saan mo papakialam mo.
Don't touch.
Where do we go? Don't.
Hindi mo pala ski tayo nga. Abot tayo siyam siyam. Haba ng pito.
Oh,
Paikot pa yan.
Wala silang learning
Kat ka pa
center.
doon.
wala. Yun na yun, te.
Ito na lang, hindi tayo.
Singles line.
Kasi tayo.
Ay, singles na.
Go to the
Ano?
Singles line to.
Yabang yun. Siguro i-reveal
ko din eh.
I-reveal ko kayo may jowa ka na.
Jowa na yan.
Wala.
Maayos ka. Wala ka pang 18. Tutuktukan kita.
Lagot ka, be.
Itong pagabi. Gabi. Tinanong ko, alam sa tayo uwi. Sabi ito, bakit? Bakit? Ito yung panahon.
Galang-gala si Be.
Tulog ka lang eh.
Kanina pa nga. Naririnig ko pa. Sabi niya, stop.
Oo, kasi nag-ano nga kami na...
Nagsaslide. Sabi niya, stop.
Hindi talaga siya ang layo ko eh. Tangina, nag-stoplight. Puta, ayaw. Huy. Ay, tumigil. Hindi ka pa ako ng problema eh.
Ay niya, stop. Nagising ako eh, sabi niya. And as every time na magpipreno siya, sabi niya, putang ina. Guwagin, ano siya.
Bullshit talaga na daan.
Kung kanina daw pumunta yung smoke, sabi ito hilote. Pagka manay sa yung smoke, makangamoy barbecue ha. Para kang lechon.
Grabe, lechon ko. Lechon ko daw. Word ka nun.
Joke lang. How much per pound? Did you check?
Lubuksan eh. Nakalagay na please no something.
This one I want, the sour. Ito niya. So we can add.
Jay, $2.99 per 100 grams.
Oh, it's not bad. Okay lang. Sino kunwari pa?
Ito, may sa kayo dito. Ako ko ayaw. O yan, may ebidensya ha. May ebidensya na nagsabi ako.
Oo nga.
Kumuha ka na.
Ako kukuha. Bakit kinuha mo naman eh? Yeah, gusto ko yung. Add more. Add more?
Oo nga, sample, kumahan ka. Ang tigas talaga ng mukha niya.
Tigas talaga ng mukha eh, no? I want the sour, yan. Dadamihan ko na.
Bawal nga eh.
Filipinos. Joe, you don't want some? That's a jawbreaker.
I haven't tried one.
What's jawbreaker? But that's too big. You're gonna regret that, I promise you. It's too big, you can't even put it in your mouth. Go try one of it. I've tried it before. I don't like. Kuya said tried it before. He likes? No.
Jay, naalala mo to?
Ano yan?
Itong brand.
The fuck is that?
Ay, di mo
alam yan, bazooka. Ano yan?
Hindi mo alam itong brand na to?
Ang alam ko yung...
Hindi ito
hindi yan. Ay, yung ano, yung bubble gum, alam ko.
Kala ko, di mo natandaan.
O, be, bayar mo na yan, be.
Ako magbabayad?
Oo.
Halos sa'yo itong sour bells na to.
Ano yan?
Kay Drew, jawbreaker. Sabi ko nga, ang laki masyado, hindi niya yan makakain.
Uy, ang laki masyado niyan. Ano pre? Cadbury. Tira mo yung presyo. Pound!
20 bucks. Hey boy, sabi mo ikaw magbabayad.
Boss mo!
Is this everything?
Yes.
$7.77.
Okay. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, so yeah. Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo.
Gusto mo.
Thank you, yeah. Babe, get it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Reaction challenge.
Right, man.
It's yummy.
One more time. Everybody, go for a swim. Go. Yes, make it wigglier swim. What does it look like to swim underwater? Oh, any Swifties? Up, up, down, down again. Up, up, down, down again. Whoa. 6, go! Sing it if you know it. Let your whole body shake. Good job, butt kick, he goes, butt kick. Go, 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 go. Make it bouncy. Yes. 8.
Ano?
And then you're gonna whoop for 8.
You got tired?
8. 8. You got it? So easy. For now, all I want you to do.
Now you guys are hungry.
Just go.
Yeah. Ano yung Tagalog nun?
Alin? Mother tongue?
Oo.
Tangin na.
Pulo na siya, te. Ang damig na nga eh.
Alis ka na.
Alis ka na. Alis ka na. You say, gutom na ako. I'm hungry. Gutom?
Gutom?
Na ako.
Gutom na ko?
Yeah. Gutom na ako.
Oh my goodness, girl!
Pero mga
Mahal is expensive.
expensive. Oh, that's mine.
I know that's yours. Hola, who's hungry? Me.
I'm hungry.
Be?
Be.
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 Ano na, be?
Ano na, be?
Hilo ka, be. Hilo ka, be.
Hilo ka, be. Ano, be?
Ano, be, be? Hilo ka, be. Hilo ka, be.
Realitas.
If you see this video,
Walang naman. Tiga pa tayo.
and you're in your tummy.
May burger naman.
¿Qué pasa? I know you're not out yet.
You sure?
But when you see this video,
Nada.
all I want you to know that me and your mom loves you so much.
See. You will say, oh, my mom and my dad are crazy.
Single? Single wing? Yeah, one single chicken. Palo na.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Kami nga, wala to yelo. Sabi ko, yung labig sa looy, wala mas. Basta dyan, ganun yan lang, oh. Instant yelo yan.
Ano yan? Halo?
Instant yelo yan. Comedian si Ben. Dati hindi tayo marotary pag walang mga kasama.
Pag walang ulang eh.
Tayo na lang eh. Plano-plano.
Kailan kaya tayo makakompleto ulit? Hindi, soon yan. Sa December. Mali mo.
Gusto ko nandito sa Lato-Alo, sa si Bayo, lahat.
Maganda lang.
Si Melvin, si Auri.
Sa Yigo. Agad siguro nung nagtatasakboy mo ngayon.
Sa Snow, no?
Nagbabotohan sila.
Pag December, sigurado 3 na yun. Diba? 3 na yun sigurado.
Yeah! Gusto mo, apatin mo na eh.
Ha?
Apatin mo na eh.
Wow! Salam muna.
Mali mo, dalawa.
Yun nga yung lagi sinasabi nito eh.
Okay?
Twins! Well, you be.
What if?
What if? What if it's twins?
Tapos natatakbo sila.
Oo.
Dahil si Igo tontuwa yun. Si Auri magtataka pa yun eh. Si Auri.
Si Igo baka tumagano yan eh. Swimming pa yun sa snow.
Gagawin mag-dive in dun sa snow. Cute.
Wow! Oh my gosh, my diet.
Thank you.
Ingat! Diet ka, be? Ingat! Amoy ng pasta mo, be. Drew. Montage. What's up?
Come on.